Welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I'm going to be using this white acrylic paint and I'm going to be giving one coat to this board, and I am using the back side. This is a sign from Dollar Tree. With this light mocha, I'm going to go ahead and paint both of these two borders right here, and I'm just going to give it one coat. This had a word here that said welcome. I removed it and used it for a different project. I'm going to start by taking this jute cord out of here and giving it one coat with the same light mocha. Everything is dry now, so let's go ahead and glue both of these two pieces together. And I'm going to be using some black chalk paint to fill in this welcome stencil. As you can see, I added another piece of wood, scrap wood that I found at Home Depot, and that was free. So I just wanted to make sure that it looks nice and even, and I did that off camera. I'm going to take this snowflake, this is from a different project, and I'm going to give it one coat with white acrylic paint. Now that it's dry, with some hot glue, I'm going to place it right here on this corner. And as you can see, I already added that little mini wreath right there on top. And look at what happened. I didn't like that welcome board, so I painted in white. Now I'm distressing it, and I'm going to do a completely total different thing to it. I have these beautiful white trees. These are ornaments from last year. With some hot glue, I'm just going to go ahead and glue one on either side of this beautiful project that we are creating. And this is, of course, a window. I also bought this little pretty deer. It came, I think it was like 12 in a package from Temu, and I am trying to incorporate them as much as possible in all my different projects. So again, I'm going to give it one coat with black chalk paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and placing it between both of the trees. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and bring in some of my leftover greenery, and I'm going to be incorporating it right above here, the wreath. And this is it for this pretty project. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Today is Creators Christmas Merry and Bright Open House. It's a Christmas theme videos. There's no host, no co-host. It's just a bunch of creators coming together and putting the last Christmas video out there. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And the playlist will be down below in the description box as always. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like. Santa Claus came early to my house, and I have him right here, and he wants to tell you,
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
I have this canvas that I'm going to be recycling. I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat with this white acrylic paint. And with this sage chalk paint, and this is from Hello Hobby, I'm going to give it one entire coat. Now that is dry, I purchased these beautiful snowflake lights at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing them around the tree with hot glue. And the battery package, I am going to be gluing it just like you see right here to make sure that I can just put my finger through the front of the tree and be able to turn it on and off. And again, with hot glue, I'm gonna glue only the snowflakes in front and then all the cord on the back. Actually, I think I left 2 snowflakes in the back. And then of course I used Scotch tape to make sure that that cord was not going to be moving. So let's go ahead and use these wood blocks. I'm going to use 4 of them. I'm going to hot glue them to the tree. And then with more hot glue, I'm going to glue them to the canvas. As you all know, this tree was recycled, so I'm gonna get back to the tree in a minute. But now let me go ahead and use the same sage color and distress the canvas. I thought it looked too plain. I'm thinking it looks much better distressed. This nativity scene here, I'm gonna go ahead and use some more acrylic white paint and I'm just gonna lightly paint over it. And because that tree was recycled and you could see the imperfection in the front because I removed something that was stuck with hot glue. So I'll be placing this nativity scene right on top. And now we're disguising that little dent that was on that tree. And of course, this is it for this beautiful project. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Do you like the snowflakes, the way I placed them on top of the tree? Let me know what you would do different if you decide to create something like this. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I found this bowl. This bowl was alone, all alone, yelling, "Take me home." So I did. I went and I picked up also this candle and this green one here that also was all alone. I'm like, huh? It was meant to be. I'm taking you guys home along with this little tint, merry and bright. I thought this was pretty, so I took it home. So I melted the candle. I poured all of it in there. I took the same wick. And what I usually do, and it works out for me just fine, I straighten out the wick, and once I wait like 15 minutes, and then once that wax starts to harden, that's when I decide to go ahead and cut the wick in 3 and then just stick it in there, and it just stays standing up and I don't need to hold it with nothing. I've also light up the candle and it holds up just like this, and the wick stays up. It doesn't fall. This is an option and it works for me. This piece here is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and add plenty of hot glue, and then I'm going to be gluing both of these pieces together. This is turning out so absolutely beautiful. I am keeping this for myself. I think this is adorable. And I also have some stickers also from the Dollar Tree store, and I am going to be placing only 1 row of these beautiful diamond stickers to hide the imperfection of the hot glue. And this is looking so high-end. What do you think? I'm also going to be adding one of those tea candles in the bottom, and if you follow me, you know that I love melting candles and putting them in different different little vases. I mean, the options are endless. Let me know in the comment section if you like that idea of melting candles. And here is the final reveal. And for our final project, this is all I did. I melted the candle, waited about 15 minutes, and now I'm inserting the wick. And that is nice and simple to do. Now for this one, as you can tell in the bottom of the little bucket, the wax did leak. So this one will be my show and tell. I was able to wipe it down and no big deal. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to both current and future subscribers. Your unwavering support is the reason why I continue to create content, and I look forward to having you with me in the future videos. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.